Right folks, out in the Galloway forest again tonight, doing a bit of pike fishing. That's us get the, I'm going to sleep in the hammock tonight, so I've got all that set up. I've got the fishing rods down the water. Lovely sunny night again. So hopefully we'll catch some pike tonight. Hopefully we'll get a big one. So fingers crossed. So I'll give you a wee look at my setup tonight, which is the hammock. So this is the bed for the night. I've got my DD tarp, extra large, which is pretty big. Gives it some really good coverage. There's the hammock set up in there. Still got the sleeping bag and all that in it, but we'll get to that. This is the bit we're fishing at. Again, top secret. If you want to know where it is, go on Google Maps, find out for yourself. But cracking sun in the sky as usual. Cracking wee loch. Well, it's quite a big loch this should. But that's us, got the fishing rods in the water. There's an old rickety boat there. I don't think I'd be getting in it though. Looks a bit iffy. But like I say, rods are in the water. Hopefully we'll catch a fish. And hopefully it'll be a big pike. Not that I'm going to eat it, I'll put it back. I think we've got chicken tandoori tonight for dinner. So that should be good. But it's looking pretty good. Right folks, you know what time it is. Through with the view. So we've been here, I don't know, about an hour. I've not caught anything yet, but the day's yet young. I'm all set up, all ready to catch a big pike. So fingers crossed we'll get something. I'm quite sure we will. It's maybe a wee bit sunny just now to catch a fish, but I reckon maybe once the sun gets a bit lower in the sky we'll probably get a fish. Big pike. Fingers crossed. Right now though, it's time for a cup of tea. Right folks, what we got tonight? Chicken tikka. So we'll give this a bash, see what this tastes like. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? Right, stick it in the pan. Ready for that sizzle? Oh yeah. Sizzling. Alright, that looks good, doesn't it? Another nice wee spot to have your dinner. Right, let that chicken cook a wee bit. And once that's cooked, we chop some more veg in. And then there's the tandoori sauce. Oh yes. Looking good, butter. I'll get that one in a wee minute as well. Oh yeah. Right, let's get some veg in. Oh yeah. Tandoori sauce on last. Last but not least, tandoori sauce. Get that in a wee minute. Right, let's get the tandoori sauce in. Superb. Get that mixed up. Oh, that's going to be good. Oh, spillage there. I'll tell you, see if you'd smell a vision right now. Oh, that looks superb by the way. Sizzling. We'll get that all into a couple of wraps. Bon appetit. Oh, superb. Looking good. Oh, yeah. Here we go, folks. Chicken tandoori. Couple of, well, 2 or 3 wraps, I think. But you know what it sure says? It's all mine's. But looks pretty good, huh? Right, I'm going to dig into this. Bon appetit. Right, folks, we're in. We've got a fish. I reckon it's a big pike. Oh, disaster. Let's get us out the road. I think we're going to end up tangled. Whoa. We're in the water. Oh. Here we go, folks. Oh, you see that? No bad one. Coming again. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Again. Yeah, I've got you that. Yeah, again. Oh no, I've lost it. Ah, the line snapped. No good. Oh, can't believe that. Disaster. Had a huge pike there and it got off at the last minute. Right, hopefully we'll get another one. It's a wee bit it's kind of cooled down a wee bit now, so hopefully we'll get another one tonight. I can't believe that. I did have it on my other rod, which is just I think it's only about £6 breaking strain. It's just a trout reel I've got, so no good. Whereas I've got £15 breaking strain on my other rod. But I just chuck that one in just on the off chance that I get one. But typical, that's the one that you catch the monster on. And of course, it's got away, the line snapped. So, hey ho, we'll hopefully get another one. So, I've stuck them back in, put some new bait on. Fingers crossed, we'll get one, we'll get it out of the water. Obviously I'll put it back, but oh, I can't believe that. What is the chances? But hey ho, onwards and upwards. Let's hope we get another one, eh? Thanks, spot. Haven't caught any more fish, but never know, might get one more before I go to sleep tonight. last of the bait in the water. Can't believe that one got away. But hey ho, I'm at a cracking little loch. Got a wee fire going. We got a wee cup of tea, a wee brew on the go. But can't beat this. Just can't beat the great outdoors. Ah, this is the life. Time for a brew. Well, still not caught another fish. So, as usual, it was the one that got away. But, lovely calm night. It's not rained. Wee cup of tea on. Listen, Matt, I do like this loch. Not a soul to be seen. You just can't beat that. Peace and quiet. Right, time for a cup of tea. And I think we'll just demolish a full packet of dark chocolate digestives. You know how it is. Oh, you can't beat this, can you? Look, you know, got a view like this sitting in the house. Cup of tea and a bit of Dunkin'. Lovely. Oh, I can't beat this. What a cracking view as well. Right, it's 10:30. A couple of wee runs, but not caught anything else. So I'm going to get a wee brew, then I'm going to hit the sack, get the hammock, go to sleep, maybe do a wee bit of fishing in the morning. It's time for a cup of tea or a brew. Right folks, that's us, ready for bed, in the hammock. Probably can't see that well, but that's us, we're set, ready for my kip. So, we'll see you in the morning, maybe do a wee bit of fishing, but I should get a comfy sleep in this, as ever. Most of them at the hammocks are pretty comfy. Normally have the tent, but for a wee change I thought I'll get the hammock tonight. A lot of wee beasties flying about. That's just because I've got the light on. Anyway, we'll have a wee cup of tea before I go to my bed, and then, oof, big thing on me there. Right, anyway, got to my kip. See you in the morning. Right, morning all. That's that, get the hammock down. Not as nice today, wee bit wetter. It's been raining a wee bit. But that's us, I'm just getting packed up, getting ready to head back. I've chucked the rods in for a wee bit, so I'll check them before I go. Whether or not we'll get anything, I don't know. But we'll go and have a wee look. And then we're just going to head up the road. Right folks, I think we've got one. Oh yeah. Right, not as big as the one we had last night, but we've got one. Just a wee black pike. Lost. So, there we go. We've got one. Never thought it would happen. A lot smaller than the one I had last night, but at least we've caught something.